so the best way for me to explain the H chart is to show you how I do it. So I tell my kids that the H chart is their best friend. They can use it all the time in math. You can basically use it when you're trying to compare two quantities. So it could be inches and feet or minutes to hour. I have them use it to convert from centimeters to meters. When they're trying to compare equivalent fractions, all that kind of stuff. So the first one I have is, let's say a question says, you want to know how many inches are on a foot in 5 feet. So they do an H chart. I already drew my H. So let me just show you again at the top. They just draw an H. So that's why it's called the H chart. And then I have them label always inches and feet. The question says how many inches are in 5 feet. Well, first you need to figure out how many inches are in 1 foot. So they go to their reference material chart. 12 inches are in 1. Then they have to figure out, where do I put my 5? Did I want 5 inches or did I want 5 feet? And they'll tell me 5 feet. So I have to make sure I put my 5 with the right unit of measurement. And then you leave this part in the middle blank because that is where you're going to actually do your operation. And I tell them you can only multiply and divide in your H chart because we're keeping something proportional. Okay, adding and subtraction doesn't work. So my next question is, okay, I obviously have to multiply if I'm going from 1 to 5 because my number is getting bigger. So what do I need to multiply 1 by to get to 5? And of course they're going to say, well, you have to times it by 5. Whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So 12 times 5 is 60. So that means there are 60 inches in 5 feet. I think this just helps them because it's very organized. So they can easily see it. They can easily plug in numbers. Let's say the question says, like on our old daily math moments, if there are 12, sorry, I'm running out of space. There are 12 shots made out of 25. How many shots are made out of 100? Well, they just put 100 over here. 12 out of 25, how many out of 100? That means that's my total. So shots to total, 25 times 4. You have to do the same to the top. 12 times 4, that means there were 48 shots. Okay, so it's that simple. They love it. They use it all the time.